Take a look at that small box of baking soda tucked away in your kitchen. You might be surprised to learn it's far more powerful than you ever imagined. While many people see it only as an ingredient for baking or a way to freshen up a fridge, this humble $1 product actually holds the key to solving more than 20 common health issues and household problems. And here's something even more intriguing. There's a little-known trick involving baking soda that most people have never heard of, and I'll be revealing it at the end of this video. But first, what exactly is baking soda? Scientifically known as sodium bicarbonate, this mineral occurs naturally in deposits around the world, including in California, Colorado, Kenya, and Mexico, where it's sometimes found in its pure form called nacolite. Thanks to its alkaline nature, with a pH around 9, baking soda excels at neutralizing acids both inside your body and throughout your home. It's one of those rare, versatile substances that seem to do a little bit of everything. One important thing to remember, baking soda is not the same as baking powder. Baking soda is 100% pure sodium bicarbonate, whereas baking powder includes additional ingredients like acid salts to activate it during baking. It's the purity of baking soda that unlocks so many of the remarkable benefits we're about to explore. 1. Potential cancer research. Among the most intriguing discoveries surrounding baking soda lies a potential role in cancer treatment, a fact still largely unknown to many. Although this area of research remains in its early stages, what scientists have uncovered so far is both fascinating and filled with promise. Cancer cells tend to flourish in acidic environments, where the pH is lower than in normal tissues. Researchers have found that sodium bicarbonate, the pure compound in baking soda, can help raise the pH levels around tumors, making the environment less favorable for cancer growth without disturbing the pH of healthy tissues. A pivotal study published in Cancer Research demonstrated that oral administration of baking soda significantly increased tumor alkalinity and, more importantly, reduced the spread of metastatic cancer cells in mouse models of breast cancer. Further research by the Moffitt Cancer Center in Florida reinforced these findings, showing that tumor acidity not only promotes invasion and metastasis, but also suppresses immune system responses. By increasing pH with safe, controlled use of baking soda, scientists observed an enhancement in the body's ability to inhibit tumor progression in preclinical studies. However, it is essential to stress that baking soda is not a cure for cancer. These findings represent early laboratory research, and human trials are still needed to determine safe and effective protocols. Nevertheless, the idea that such a simple, inexpensive substance could someday complement traditional cancer therapies is a powerful reminder of how nature often holds hidden keys to healing. While the research continues, this growing body of evidence highlights the remarkable potential that baking soda may have in future medical applications. Further proof that even the most humble ingredients in our kitchens can carry extraordinary possibilities. 2. Exercise performance and recovery. Are you active? Do you exercise regularly? Then you'll love this next benefit that connects perfectly with what we've been discussing about acid neutralization. Baking soda has been studied for its potential to enhance exercise performance and recovery. When we exercise intensely, lactic acid builds up in our muscles, causing that burning sensation and fatigue. The alkaline nature of baking soda may help neutralize this acid. Some studies suggest that consuming baking soda before exercise might improve performance during high-intensity activities. Scientists call this bicarbonate loading, and research indicates it may have a moderate positive effect on athletic performance during sustained strenuous exercise lasting between 1 and 7 minutes. After exercise, soaking in a warm bath with half a cup of baking soda added may help neutralize lactic acid buildup in the muscles, potentially reducing soreness and speeding recovery. One small clinical study of 8 healthy male subjects found that consuming baking soda before intermittent cycling actually improved their sprint performance. 3. Urinary tract infection relief. Baking soda may offer a simple yet surprising way to ease one of the most uncomfortable health challenges many women face: urinary tract infections. If you've ever experienced the burning discomfort, constant urge to urinate, and overall disruption that a UTI brings, you know how important it is to find relief quickly. Emerging research has highlighted a potential role for baking soda in easing UTI symptoms when the urine environment becomes overly acidic. A 2017 clinical study published in the Journal of Infection and Chemotherapy found that women with acidic urine who consumed oral doses of baking soda daily for 4 weeks experienced a significant shift. Their urinary pH increased, creating a less hospitable environment for infection-causing bacteria, and, importantly, they reported substantial improvement in their UTI symptoms. By helping to neutralize excessive acidity, baking soda may reduce the irritation that fuels bacterial growth and inflammation in the urinary tract. Additional findings from a 2020 meta-analysis suggest that restoring a more alkaline urinary pH can be an effective complementary strategy alongside traditional UTI treatments, particularly in women prone to recurrent infections. While these findings are promising, it's crucial to proceed thoughtfully. Self-treatment with baking soda is not appropriate for everyone, especially those with kidney disease, high blood pressure, or on sodium-restricted diets. Always consult your healthcare provider before beginning any internal use of baking soda for urinary tract issues. Still, the evidence hints at an exciting possibility that a simple, affordable substance like baking soda could offer natural support in managing the discomfort of UTIs, helping many women reclaim comfort and confidence in their daily lives. 4. Kidney health support. This anti-inflammatory effect ties in perfectly with how baking soda can support one of your body's most vital filtration systems, your kidneys. Your kidneys play a crucial role in your body. They filter your blood, eliminate toxins, and maintain fluid balance. But sometimes, conditions like chronic kidney disease can impair these essential functions. Scientific research has shown that baking soda might help support kidney health. A clinical study published in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology found something remarkable. Patients with chronic kidney disease who took sodium bicarbonate supplements were significantly less likely to experience rapid progression of their kidney disease. How does it work? Well, the bicarbonate helps buffer acids in the body, which can take some strain off the kidneys. This is especially important because when kidneys aren't functioning optimally, they struggle to remove acid from the body. The study revealed that after 2 years, participants who regularly consumed bicarbonate reduced their risk of progression to kidney failure by an impressive 36%. They also showed improvement in combating metabolic acidosis, a common condition in kidney patients. 5. Joint pain and inflammation. Now, let's talk about something that affects millions of people: joint pain and inflammation. This might surprise you, but baking soda could help people suffering from arthritis pain. A groundbreaking study published in 2018 found that baking soda may create an anti-inflammatory environment in the body. Researchers observed that when test subjects consumed a solution of baking soda mixed with water, they experienced reduced inflammation in joints and a more balanced immune response. For those with arthritis, some healthcare practitioners suggest mixing half a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and drinking it once daily, preferably after a meal. The research showed encouraging results with significant reduction in joint inflammation and a more balanced immune response. But remember, and this is important, this should only be done under medical supervision, especially if you have high blood pressure or heart issues. 6. Skin relief and care. The remarkable benefits of baking soda are not confined to internal health. They extend to your skin, offering natural, affordable solutions for a variety of common concerns. If you've ever suffered from the relentless itching caused by insect bites or mild skin irritations, a simple paste made from baking soda and water can provide fast and soothing relief. Thanks to its alkaline nature, baking soda neutralizes the acidic compounds found in many insect venoms, helping to calm the skin and ease inflammation. Beyond its itch-relieving properties, baking soda also serves as a gentle, effective exfoliant. For those struggling with rough patches on elbows, knees, or feet, Creating a mild scrub by mixing baking soda with a little water can help slough away dead skin cells, leaving the skin feeling noticeably smoother and softer after just a few applications. Dermatologists have long acknowledged the exfoliating potential of baking soda, recommending it as a safe option for individuals seeking low-cost, non-irritating skincare alternatives. But the benefits don't end there. Baking soda has demonstrated impressive antifungal activity in scientific studies. A 2018 review published in the Journal of Fungi highlighted that sodium bicarbonate exhibits inhibitory effects against a wide range of fungal pathogens, including Candida species commonly responsible for skin and nail infections. By creating an environment that disrupts fungal growth, baking soda can act as a natural ally in managing mild fungal conditions when applied topically. Whether you're aiming to calm an itchy bite, smooth rough skin, or combat a stubborn fungal infection, baking soda offers a simple yet powerful tool straight from your kitchen cabinet. As always, if you have sensitive skin or underlying skin conditions, it's wise to perform a patch test first, or consult a healthcare professional before starting any new skin treatment. 7. Mouth sores and canker sores. But the benefits of this wonder powder extend far beyond your mouth. If you've ever had painful mouth sores or canker sores, baking soda can provide remarkable relief there too. Those small but incredibly painful lesions can make eating and speaking uncomfortable. But baking soda's alkaline properties help neutralize acids in the mouth, reducing irritation and creating an environment less favorable to bacteria. A significant study at the Sunnybrook Oral Health Clinic treated over 3,000 patients with persistent mouth sores using baking soda rinses with impressive results, a 70% reduction in lesions, especially when used regularly. You can simply mix a small amount of water with baking soda to form a paste. Apply it directly to the sore or rinse your mouth with a baking soda solution 3 times a day. This method is safe even for children and provides quick pain relief, making eating much easier. 8. Oral health. In addition to its impressive ability to neutralize acids, baking soda has earned a trusted place in oral care for very good reasons. Beyond freshening your breath, this simple powder carries powerful antibacterial properties that specifically target harmful bacteria like Streptococcus mutans, one of the main culprits behind tooth decay. This explains why many leading toothpaste brands feature baking soda as a key ingredient. Its mildly abrasive texture helps gently polish teeth, brightening your smile, while its alkalinity works to create an environment less welcoming to bacteria. Studies published in the Journal of Clinical Dentistry have shown that toothpaste containing baking soda is significantly more effective at removing plaque compared to those without it. For a quick and effective home remedy, you can create a soothing mouth rinse by dissolving 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/8 teaspoon of salt in a cup of warm water. This simple solution not only helps freshen breath, but can also reduce oral bacteria and soothe irritation. In fact, some oncologists recommend baking soda rinses to cancer patients undergoing chemotherapy, helping to ease the painful mouth sores that often accompany treatment. Whether you're aiming to prevent cavities, refresh your breath, or protect sensitive mouths during health challenges, baking soda offers a natural, affordable option that's both gentle and surprisingly powerful. 9. Heartburn and indigestion. Let's start with something many of us struggle with: heartburn and indigestion. That burning sensation in your chest after a big meal can really ruin your day. Here's where baking soda comes to the rescue. Because it's alkaline, it can help neutralize stomach acid that's causing that uncomfortable burning sensation. According to health experts, this is why many commercial antacids actually contain sodium bicarbonate as their active ingredient. For occasional heartburn relief, many healthcare professionals suggest mixing half a teaspoon of baking soda in 2 cups of water and sipping it slowly about an hour after eating. The quick reaction between the baking soda and your stomach acid helps reduce that painful burning sensation naturally and affordably. And I can tell you, this works so much better than spending money on those expensive antacids at the pharmacy. It's the same active ingredient, but at a fraction of the cost. Before concluding, it's vital to discuss some important safety considerations regarding the use of baking soda. Although baking soda is a natural substance and generally safe when used properly, it is not suitable for everyone, and overuse can lead to serious health issues. Baking soda contains a high amount of sodium, approximately 1259 milligrams per teaspoon. Due to this, individuals with high blood pressure, heart disease, kidney disorders, or those following a sodium-restricted diet should exercise extreme caution before using baking soda internally. If you choose to take baking soda by mouth, experts offer several important recommendations. Do not exceed 3½ teaspoons in a 24-hour period. If you are over 60 years old, limit your intake to no more than 1½ teaspoons per day. Never use the maximum dosage for more than 2 consecutive weeks. Always ensure that baking soda is fully dissolved in water before drinking, and sip the solution slowly rather than drinking it quickly. Avoid taking baking soda on a completely full stomach. Additionally, baking soda should not be given to children under the age of 6, unless explicitly advised by a physician. Taking too much baking soda can cause side effects such as nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain, and in rare cases, more severe problems like seizures or cardiac complications. Furthermore, baking soda can interfere with the absorption of medications, so it is advisable not to consume it within 2 hours of taking any prescribed drugs. Pregnant and breastfeeding women are also advised to avoid using baking soda internally unless directed by their healthcare provider. Following these guidelines carefully can help ensure that you use baking soda safely while avoiding unnecessary risks. As we've discovered today, baking soda is far more than just a simple kitchen ingredient. Behind its modest appearance lies a wealth of natural power, from neutralizing stomach acid, supporting oral and skin health, easing joint discomfort, aiding urinary tract balance, enhancing exercise recovery, to even showing early promise in cancer research. For just $1 or less, this humble mineral offers a safe, affordable, and versatile way to support your health and home. However, like any powerful tool, it must be used with care. Following the right guidelines and consulting your doctor when needed ensures you can enjoy the benefits safely without risking unnecessary side effects. Nature often provides simple, elegant solutions to life's challenges, and baking soda stands as a shining example. Sometimes the answers we seek aren't found in expensive treatments or complicated regimens, but in the quiet wisdom of the everyday things we often overlook. If you found this information helpful, I invite you to subscribe to our channel. Here, we share practical, trustworthy tips to help you live healthier, happier, and more naturally every day. Don't forget to like this video and hit the notification bell so you never miss another insight. Thank you for spending this time with us, and until next time, take care of yourself because you deserve it.